Okay, so we got a Dumbo restaurant right here. We also have kind of a rainy day. What we're gonna do in this particular video is we're gonna walk down into Taipa village, which is right over here. And before we even go down, we're just gonna go down and just kind of check out all the people here. So it's kind of a rainy day. And I got umbrellas. They have umbrellas pretty much everywhere. And I was kind of debating about filming this particular street and going down with all the beautiful lanterns on here, or going down our target street, which is going to be into Taipa village. And I think I'll do a little bit of both. So yeah, this is Regador. So let's go down around the corner to Gaviotas. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we are going to head down to Gaviotas. It's a rainy day. It's actually kind of vibrantly great day to film. You know, when it's a glare of the sun, you can't really capture the colors so well. So actually this is pretty ideal. So we're going to walk around the corner towards Gaviotas. And Dumbo is right on the corner here as well. So let's head on down this way, and we're gonna come right down here. Yeah, it's actually pretty wet outside. We have some kind of interesting alleys. I might not walk around too much because we've been having some flooding because of the water levels. So what's happening is my shoes are having to dry out for a couple days because of the rain quantities. And actually, looks like our street just ended already. Gaviotas, so that was actually going to be the target street, and now we're on Esperanza. I forgot that just kind of goes like this, kind of yeah, lots of flooding. Yeah, I was going to walk around and film, but I need the rain shoes to do that properly. Gaviotas is kind of small. So I guess what I'm going to do instead is just kind of meander a little bit into the Taipa village, capturing some of these vibrant colors in here with the rain. Yeah, a little bit of flooding in here. So this is Gloria Street, Travessa de Gloria. So we tapped into a few different streets here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to Regador Street, and then we're going to end it over there. That's where we started at. And my idea to film in the rain is kind of interesting, but not good for my shoes. I've been going through, been raining the last few days, and I keep on, I put on a pair of shoes and I have to dry them out, and then put on another pair of shoes and those are dried out, and now I just got a brand new pair of shoes that I just bought because the other two are wet, and those are going to be, these could get wet as well, and then, anyways, you get the idea. So we're back at our main street. Right ahead is Galaxy Casino, so what I'm going to do is just walk across and I'll try to capture Galaxy from the street. So that's actually the Cotai Strip down that way. Tuk Thai restaurant. And now we're kind of on our main regular street. That ramen restaurant is new right here, this Japanese ramen. There's a lot of new places suddenly. And yeah, so Galaxy Casino straight ahead, and that's the Kotai Strip. Let me just kind of see if we can go through here. So yeah, if you go all the way down, there's that'll go to MTR station, a train station line, and it'll also go back to it goes in the southern direction. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just going to head back over to this side, capture that briefly, and we're gonna have kind of a shorter video. And this is in the Taipa village area. Let's do a little 360. Yeah, vibrant colors, but a little bit too much rain today. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.